What's good, y'all niggas? We back with another video and shit. Let's go. Let's get straight into it. 40 laws of power analysis video series. Right now, I'll be doing law number 32, and it says play according to people's fantasies, attune to people's fantasies. So you need to understand that, like, okay, so what are fantasies? Like, I think we all know what fantasies are in our own definition. You know what I'm saying? That fantasy is what people want to believe is true, or you know what I'm saying? They want to believe that, like, for example, religion could be a fantasy to some people. You know what I'm saying? So, like, okay, when you attune to people's people's fantasies, it offers you unlimited opportunities for you to exploit the victim. You know what I'm saying? Like, for example, you need for whatever reason, let's say you need okay, well, let's say that you need money, right? Money from someone, and you know that person is like a religious freak. You know what I'm saying? Let's say Christianity is very Christian like. You can, you know what I'm saying, bust out the Bible, see a verse or two where they say give that help thy neighbor and all that, and then you use that against them. So you know what I'm saying? Like, you talk about the Christianity life a little bit, and then you say, this and that. You know, the Bible says this and that. I think you should help me because I need help with this and all that. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, that's what I'm saying. One second, real quick. So yeah, like so as I was saying, like, you need to understand that, like, fantasies are very not very sacred, yes, but like you can also be used against people, and you also have to understand that you also have fantasies too. So you have to also make sure, like, what is how are these guys, how are they, you know what I'm saying, are they using you, how are they gonna use me, and how do I know this is real and this is fake? So yeah, let's get straight into it. Let's move on. So a rule of so right, you said about the explain the appointments. So when doing this, it's important to keep distance and make people wait and draw more to you. Is it can't get enough of the fantasy. You know what I'm saying? Like it goes back to the power, the law of power that says absence creates power. Where, you know what I'm saying, less you do, the less you're seen, the more of a commodity that you are. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you gotta keep the shit fake. That's the same thing we have in how in the law. In previous laws, we'll be here talking about how to create your own cult. It states that we have to keep the thing vague, not direct. You know what I'm saying? Not direct. And yeah, okay, I think that'll be it for this video for this law. Uh, okay, for this law. Uh, and of course, here's the last things. It says treat the thing like it's about life. Keep it vague and intriguing. All right. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, below, subscribe. Got a new, few new more videos coming, and new types of videos coming up. And I understand that I'm more like a dating coach now. I'm back to that type of content and all that. But before that, I just gonna get this one out of the way first. Hold up, back at your boy. Shit.